Hi, this is Steven with Wortham Brothers Roofing. We're out here today at the Rosemary Barn wedding venue in McKinney. Behind me, I got a 3-story unit that I have my guys out here doing. There's about 4 different properties on here, but we're starting on this one today. We're taking everything down to the decking. There's a couple spots you can see up there a little darker. We're gonna replace all those with new sheets of decking. We do everything the right way. We'll go back with a synthetic underlayment. So it's made out of the same material a tarp's made out of, so it doesn't rip or tear. And then over here, we got Certainty Landmark that we're gonna be going back and putting up on this roof. Certainty Landmark is now actually considered a Class 3 savings. So it's a really good shingle, but it also gives you a savings with your insurance premium. So when looking at getting a new roof, it may be something you wanna look into. Still a 30-year shingle, but you do get some benefits with the insurance company. After we get done with this one, we got a banquet hall over here that we'll be doing as well. Tearing it all down to the decking like we do on everything else. And then beyond it, that little small house is a groomsman house we'll be doing. And then we got a reception hall back over here that we'll be doing as well. So we'll be out here for the next week doing these one at a time. That's just how the property owner would like it, or else we could knock them out all at the same time. But we've been around for 40 years. We do things the right way, the Wortham way. So if you need us, give me a call. My name's Steven Mitchell. I'm with Wortham Brothers Roofing. I'd be happy to help you with any roofing needs you may need. Give us a call today, Wortham Roofing.